these people who have this experience of a near-death experience, they come back and it's almost like they had a super condensed self-development workshop that gave them all the same outcome. What can we learn about these near-death experiences, and what is that shared psychological profile that these people who have had NDEs share once they come back? And so it's their beliefs, their behaviors, their values, and their worldview kind of like align with one another in a really interesting way. So just this overall appreciation for this physical life. And that's something that, we talk about on this show a lot. How do we build these moments into our day, into our life, where we're slowing down and we're kind of checking in with ourselves with like, wow, there's so much beauty here. There's so much to appreciate.